Assalamu alaikum students. This video lecture is for 10th class, subject physics, chapter number 10, and today our topic is simple harmonic motion. Student, first of all we will recall motion that we have discussed in 9th class. Motion and rest. Students, we know that if body changes its position with respect to its surrounding, then we can say that body is in motion. And if body does not change its position with respect to its surrounding, then body is in at rest. So we know motion, if body changes its position, body is in motion. And vibration or vibratory motion is one of the types of motion that we have done in 9th class. For example, if motion is in a line, is called translatory motion. If motion about a fixed point, spin motion about a fixed point, called rotatory motion. And the third one, vibratory motion, to and fro or back and forth. Motion about a point is called vibratory motion, or you can say vibration or oscillatory motion. And special type of vibratory or oscillatory motion is called simple harmonic motion that we will discuss today. With the help of three systems: mass attached to a spring, second one, motion of ball placed in a bowl, motion of a ball placed in a bowl, and the third one, motion of bob attached to a spring. With the help of these three examples, we will discuss vibration and simple harmonic motion. First of all, you know vibration is to and fro or back and forth movement about a fixed point. For example, in this case, that O is a fixed point and this mass is attached to a spring and it is placed on a horizontal frictionless surface. Now the motion of this mass about O between A and B to extreme position, this motion is called vibratory motion. In the same case, motion of this ball about O between A and B, and motion of this bob between A and B about this fixed point O is called vibratory motion, or these are types of vibratory motion. Now we can say that when we want to move object, we need force. In these three cases, if we apply more force, the body will cover more distance and body will move away more from the mean position. If we will apply less force, then body will cover less distance. It means that in vibratory motion, distance covered by the body from mean position towards any of the extreme positions, that distance is directly proportional to the force which we apply. And second thing, the direction of the force on the object in spring system, in ball and bowl system, and in simple pendulum, direction of force is always towards the mean position, which we will discuss in next classes, in next videos, when we will discuss these system one by one. Today we are talking about just definition of simple harmonic motion. So two things I have told you: distance or displacement covered by the object from the mean position is directly proportional to the force, and the second thing, direction of force is always towards the mean position. So this special type of vibratory motion is called simple harmonic motion. Now simple harmonic motion, when net force is directly proportional to the displacement from the mean position, and that net force is always directed towards the mean position. So vibratory motion is type of motion in which body moves back and forth, to and fro about a fixed point, is called a vibratory motion. Now a special type of vibratory motion is called simple harmonic motion, in which, as I have told you, in which the force displacement covered by the body is always directly proportional to the force, or we can say that net force is directly proportional to the displacement from the mean position, one thing. And the second is the direction, it is always directed towards the mean position. So this special type of vibratory motion is called simple harmonic motion. Now further in next videos we will discuss simple harmonic motion with the help of mass attached to a spring in detail, and ball system, and a bob attached to a string. We will discuss in detail. Thank you.